What happens to your body when you walk every day? Exercise is essential for our well-being and health, but it does not need to be intense and long to provide effects. Walking is one of the best ways to maintain your body in good condition and positively affect your health. Walking on a daily basis offers the following benefits. Improve heart health. Walking offers many health benefits. It lowers the risk of cardiovascular conditions. It improves heart health in the following way. Lower the risk of stroke and coronary issue. Lowers the risk of heart disease and failure. Strengthen heart rate. Improves cholesterol balance. Lowers blood pressure. Boosts blood circulation. Regulates fat balance. Boosts oxygen circulation. Strengthen the organs. Improved immune function. Walking has also been found to lower the risk of developing a cold or flu. It is found that those who walk at a moderate pace for 30 to 40 minutes a day has 43% lesser risk and flu days and fewer upper respiratory tract infections overall than those who are sedentary in lifestyle. Additionally, walking alleviates symptoms if they did get sick. Strengthens joints and bones. Walking daily is one of the most efficient way to prevent age-related degeneration by constantly adding to the strength of muscles and joints. Walking is excellent in case of lower back pain as it relieves chronic pain and manages the discomfort more productively than others, more intense exercises. Walking strengthens the bones as they support the body weight and boosts their density to prevent damage or disease development. Walking loosens up the joints and prevents stiffness, alleviating arthritis symptoms. By strengthening the bones and muscles, it lowers the risk of fracture, it boosts blood circulation and improves flexibility around the lower back area. It strengthens the legs and builds up muscle and endurance, preventing joint pain. Weight loss. Regular walks will also help you get in shape and shed those extra pounds. Namely, walking increases your metabolism. Walking engages neurous muscles, so it helps in the process of muscle building. Walking after meals lowers the levels of glucose in the blood. Walking increases your heart rate and boosts the elimination of excess fat in the body. Walking helps digestion since it increases the speed of the movement of food through the body and stomach. Improved vision. Our vision benefits from everyday walking. Regular walks are especially beneficial in the case of glaucoma, which is estimated to hit 111 million individuals between 40 to 80 years of age by when we reach to 2040, since they reduce the pressure placed on the eyes caused by the condition. It also lowers the risk of developing glaucoma by a whopping 73%. Energy boost. Taking a walk daily will keep your energy levels up, as walking increases oxygen flow through the body. Additionally, it can also increase levels of cortisol, epinephrine, and norepinephrine. These are the hormones that help alleviate energy levels. Improved creative thinking. Walking helps clear your head and boost creative thinking. Namely, subjects do better while walking, particularly walking outdoors. Walking actually opens up a free flow of ideas and is a great way to boost creativity while being physically active at the same time. Positive mental change. Walking is one of the best ways to improve your mental health since it alleviates the symptoms of depression, relaxes the mind, reduces stress, and prevents anxiety. Improves mood since it stimulates the production of positive hormones known as endorphins. Lowers the risk of developing degenerative disorders like dementia and Alzheimer's disease, as well as other brain-related diseases like stroke. Therefore, a regular walk, half an hour, will improve your health and in various ways and provide many of the benefits of exercise.